Welcome to the Sustainable Sharon Coalition Week 6 Challenge, Gardening 101 or Victory Gardens. We hope that you will be inspired and share with us your gardening adventures. So it says to plant the seeds 2 or 3 inches apart, half an inch to an inch deep, and the rows should be 2 feet apart. And that's not happening because I have a small bed and I'm really lazy, so I'm just gonna kind of do what I do. And then the seeds look like very pale, sad peas. Some people soak these first. I don't. I just put them in the ground. Just gonna let Mother Nature take care of watering them, and when they get, maybe this high, I'll start putting in some sort of trellis, something for them to climb up. If some are too close, I might move some or eat them, and that's pretty much it. It's Thursday, May 14th. Look how tall the peas are now. What's growing in your garden?